Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush to clear any debris. Make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged before starting the process. Firstly, locate the dustbin release button on the vacuum cleaner. This is typically found near the top of the dustbin. Press the button, and gently pull the dustbin away from the main body of the vacuum. You may encounter some resistance. This is normal, so apply a bit more force as needed. Once the dustbin is detached, it's a good time to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use the soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris inside the canister area. A clean environment will help your vacuum perform better. If you notice any stubborn dirt, use the small brush to dislodge it. As you work, remember that regular maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson V8. Now, take your new dustbin and prepare it for installation. Align the dustbin with the main body of the vacuum, ensuring that the clips are properly positioned. Gently push the dustbin back into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. This step is crucial. A loose dustbin can lead to suction issues. If you find yourself unsure or lacking the tools, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any commitment. Plus, if you prefer convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just seamless service. After the dustbin is securely in place, test the vacuum by turning it on. Make sure to check for any unusual sounds or lack of suction, as this could indicate an installation issue or another problem. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully changed the dustbin on your Dyson V8. However, if you encounter any issues or if the vacuum still doesn't perform as expected, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, don't forget to dispose of the old dustbin responsibly. Many local waste management services offer recycling options for such items. Keeping your environment clean is just as important as maintaining your vacuum. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Dyson V8 continues to operate at peak performance. Regular maintenance, like changing the dustbin, is key to a long-lasting vacuum experience. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.